to the Cemetery Studio. This is not a polished video. This is not a scripted video. This is a video from me to you about all the wonderful things that are going to happen here. I just want to take a minute first. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy you're here in our old church in Pennsylvania. And I would love to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lucky. You're going to watch that number grow with us. And we have all sorts of videos. There's videos on here about the church. There's videos on here about everything. But I really wanted to invite you to connect with us because I'm a creator of content, but I'm also a creator of real things. We do vitrograph pools. I do stained glass. And I just put up a really exciting schedule. It's on our events page. So watch this space and join us for all the fun. Hello. I didn't think out my video technique. I can't put my face around for you. But really, I'm so happy you're here. The best is yet to come. And I would love to create something that you absolutely fall in love with. And yeah, watch this space. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube. Give it a thumbs up. Follow us on social media, connect with social media, and get ready. I just put this schedule up. We're going to be doing the coolest things together. Thanks for being here. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. Can't tell you enough.